When you see me trading Volatility 75 like this is a real account. So I believe now it's time for us to actually secure the bag and close all positions and make sure that we have secured the bag. Now, I want to share something with you. This is a real account, by the way. I want to share something with you because some of you do not know what is the indexes. When I trade, what is that? All right. I don't like trading the currencies mainly because of what? Because of profit purposes and the risk management that is actually involved. Now, this is a real account. So let's go to our website, Deriv. I want us to transfer the money to to my um, to my wallet account so that we can make sure that we secure the bag and everything is secured, right? I trade this asset mainly because of risk. Now, this is the IC Markets account that I use for trading the currencies. I trade gold, but when I trade, some of you asking, what is this that you are trading? So money has not been updated as of yet, but then as soon as it's updated, we'll transfer the money to wallet account. All right, money updated. Okay, let's actually transfer the money from this account to the wallet account. So I'll go to here. This is phase one. So some of you will have this phase here. Some of you will have this phase here. This is phase two, by the way. This is phase two. This is phase three. And if you open your trading account with the broker that I use, this is my broker that I personally use for trading these assets. So let me go back here. And okay, this is phase three. All right, this is phase two, and that's phase one. And this is determined by a place of birth. Okay, so this is our website. Our channel, Browser Trader. So you subscribe, you search Browser Trader on YouTube, and you press here. Then you open your trade account with this broker that I use. You press here. This is the website link for the broker that we are using, that I personally use also. Now, browsertrader.com is our website. You can visit it. Okay, so that you can be able to join our premium group where I share daily market directions. All right. Now, there are so many traders who are actually requesting to join this group. This group is not for everybody. Okay. There are some certain requirements that you have to meet so that you can join this group. You can't just be part of this group if you don't know how to actually trade. Anyways, let's actually transfer the money to the wallet account here. Now, we are logged out for some reasons. I don't know why, but let's actually log in. I don't know why we are logged out. So we're going to log in, transfer the money. Then I actually guide you through as to understanding what is this for 3075, for 3050. What is this actually that I mostly trade, so that you understand better. All right, we are logged in now. We are logged into our broker's website so that we can be able to transfer the money to the wallet and share with you some of the things that you need to actually understand when it comes to trading fixed indexes. So let me transfer the money to my wallet account. This is phase one. Just remember that. And we're transferring the money to this wallet account. So let's actually select the 1,000. I will transfer 1,200 for now. 1,200 for now. Transfer to the wallet account. There we go. We have 1,300 there. And we have 86. Here we have 150. So this looks good. Everything looks good here. We can press here. We press Traders Hub. We have 1.6. The money. All right. We've managed to make a withdrawal on this account. So we can go to history. And this is the amount of money that we've managed to withdraw on this account. Okay. These are the trades that we actually took on this account. Okay. Anyway, what is this? What are these assets? If I press codes here, this is codes, charts, trade, history, messages. If we press this here, you see. Let's open my trader 5 this side. We've opened a trade. All right. This is beating or it's still on a loss. Now, what is this? This, we're talking about V75. This asset that I mostly trade, V75, and all these assets that you see. If I press plus icon here, you will see these folders here: crash down, crash boom, indices. These are synthetic indexes, so they are artificial. They are moved by algorithm. Okay, they are moved by algorithm. All right, these are calculations, and these assets, they move in a constant rate. They are not affected by news. We're talking about news reports like wars in a country, interest rate, like when we trade these assets, Euro USD. All right, mostly are affected because of the fluctuation of the market and the news events, the government, the banks. So this, there are no governments here. There are no news, only the algorithm, and we work with constant rate. So it doesn't spike, it just moves in a constant rate. If it moves down, it moves down. If it moves up, it moves up. So if I'm trading this one, just know that it's an algorithm based assets. All right, they are controlled or they are created by the broker, Deriv. This is the only broker that actually offers these assets. So if you see me trading this asset and you're confused as to what is this, I'm so new to this, I don't understand what is this. All right, these are synthetic indexes, algorithm based, which means they are moved based on calculations, some certain calculations, and you can trade them based on the structure that we see. All right, there's some certain structure that we can use, such as we can trade volatility 50, we can go to chart, we can apply M15, and we can apply high, low, break, retest. We can buy, take profit there, and we have a resistant area there. We take a sell, we take an exit here. So we can apply many strategies. We can apply trend line. You can apply any type of strategy that you like to use. All right. You can apply any type of strategy that you would like to use. However, what really pushes me to trade these indices is that I can be able to meet the 1:4 risk to reward ratio, which means if I'm risking $1, I can be able to profit $4. If I'm risking 100, I can be able to profit what? 400. If I'm risking 1,000, I can profit 4,000. If it's 10,000, it will be 40,000. Simple. So this is why I'm mostly trading these indexes. Simple. I trade these indexes based on what? Based on risk management. That's it. And the movement, the structure. It respects structure. When I look at the graph of the currencies here, if I go to chart, it's like a bit challenging for me to make money. I've never made more money on this chart. See how it moves. See this choppy markets. But when we compare volatility 25, you will see that there's just straight movement. Can you see this constant movement here? This one big movement here. You see. So I like to trade it like that. Some traders, they prefer to trade boom thousand. Boom thousand. This simply means that if you buy, let's go to 1 minute time frame. 1M time frame. If you buy, if we take a sell right now, it will move, and then it will have a spike, just like that. So you can see now we had what? A spike. It can move. So this one moves in just one direction, which means you can be able to trade this on a constant, right? So this is why I trade them. I started making money trading the synthetic indices. I've never made more money with the currencies. And also, I trade the commodity, including the metals. The metals. We're talking about the metals. We're talking about silver, gold, but I prefer to trade the gold because of it's more volatile. I trust some of you will understand this. If you don't understand, you let me know. So I trade this asset. I also trade the stocks, which including the Nasdaq, the USD. I trade these assets because of what? Mainly because of the volatility that is here. All right. So the next time you're trying to trade, or you see me trading this, just note that these are synthetic indexes, algorithm based, created by Deriv. Only the broker Deriv does offer these assets, not any other broker out there. If there will be, then that will be good. There will be competition, which can be good, but then still, I trade these assets. This is where I was able to start making money, to see that I'm able to make such and such amount of money. Like, this is where everything actually clicked for me. I know some of you, you like to trade 1 minute strategy. you like to trade any type of strategy, but make sure that your risk to reward ratio is always 1:4. You are trading in this way, right? So if you trade in this way, you'll be able to stay ahead. But then the currencies, they don't offer me this. But then the stocks, commodity, we have stocks, all right? Stocks, they are moved by what value? The value we're talking about, the company value. Stocks, we're talking about shares. This, when I talk about stocks, we're talking about shares in the company. And we can now speculate what using this app to trade the Nasdaq, to trade the USP 500 by speculating what? Speculating on value. Then the currencies, which we're talking about, Forex. All right? Currencies, we're talking about Forex. Currency, such as Euro, USD, this currency is what is affected by governments. These are the players that are there. And this one is moved based on what? Based on supply and demand. So the currencies, they don't have much of movement because of this currency is moved by supply and demand. So there's not much movement here. All right. Now we also have the commodity as mentioned. All right, commodity, we're talking about the metals, the energy, the oil, the which under energy we have oil. As you can see, if we press codes here, we press this icon, we press the commodity, you'll see we have metals, we have energies. All right, so you can also trade the energies. You can trade energy spot or energy futures. If you go to energy spot, you will see the Brent oil versus the US dollar. You can trade that. But then we trade the metals based on that they have what? Higher volatility. That is why I trade gold in most cases. All right, so I trade gold mainly because of this reason. All right, now we also have, we had stocks, shares, we have the currencies, Forex, we have commodity, metals, gold, for example, is moved by what? By value, and also by supply and demand. It is that simple. So you can trade them and they have higher value. So the next time you're looking to trade the market, you just have to take note of this. Then we have what we call crypto. Crypto is a digital money. I know some of you do not know it. You are just maybe new to this topic. Crypto, we're talking about digital money, is moved by supply and demand of scarcity. All right. So when we have crypto, you can actually speculate or you can invest in crypto, meaning that you can actually purchase the digital money, such as Bitcoin, USDT. You can purchase this coin through exchange or through the blockchain network. All right. This is crypto. We're talking about crypto. So if you're confused, there's something that you'd like me to explain to you, where you want to understand something, you let me know. But this is how the network works. When we invest and trading, when we're trading, we're speculating. So here, we're only speculating as to where the price of where the chart will go at a certain given time. All right. So I trade this asset based on that. If there's some way where you actually like me to explain, where you do not understand, let me know in the comment section below. So far everything looks good. We've managed to take our profit, and these are demo accounts that I use for when you want to actually understand how to open a trading account, and that's all. So I trust you understand. So I love you all. Stay blessed. I will see you on another tutorial where we actually look at the chart analysis, the candlestick pattern. So please make sure that you subscribe to the channel and also you become a member. I'll really appreciate you becoming a member of this channel. So stay blessed. I love you all. I will see you in another tutorial.